It's been so long since I've done an explore. This is like such a thrill. I'm enjoying this, and it's like we are in the moment. I'm just capturing everything almost like we're detectives, like in real life. It's so sick. Anyway, so like we're gonna go through this. Not all clues can be solved. We are unsure of what comes behind the mystery of unforeseen history, but with a curious mind, we have to step further in. My name is JohnInth, and I'm
Kyle Mcgran on YouTube. I adventure around, film anything abandoned or anything worth exploring. Hugely inspired by these guys behind the camera, and we're just out here. We're out here exploring anything, and we try to put it on film for you guys all to see.
Yo, what up? My name is Joey, and I like... Oh, somebody just followed my... Dude, don't follow my YouTube. I don't have a YouTube channel.
What's up, guys? My name is Ronin. Of course, if you guys don't know me, I'm an urban exploring photographer. I travel the world and explore places that are unknown and forgotten. I like to document them and let you guys come to this journey with me to experience them and feel what I'm feeling.
I feel that my mind constantly lingers as I'm always curious to find the unknown in the world. I believe that this world has more mysteries than one can even think of, and there's always a lot of unsolved clues that can be solved. As we take this adventure into this abandoned house, we look to see what is left and what to be solved. It's been so long since I've done an explore. This is like such a thrill. I'm enjoying this, and it's like we are in the moment. I'm just capturing everything almost like we're detectives, like in real life. It's so sick. Anyway, so like we're gonna go through this and take a look around. So here's a fun fact of this entire place. Just stepping right here. When I stepped right here, guys, I almost fell through. Almost fell through to the other floor. It's so drastic. So, oh my god.
Watch out.
Whoa!
Oh my, dude, bro.
Bro! The fact that I found a fucking freaking old school chainsaw is drastic. So insane. I just chill in here, it's a freaking chainsaw. It's sharp. And it's scary. It's just pouring. It's pouring with rain like crazy outside right now. Super drastically crazy. And anywhere where I step, dude, I could just fall through. Because like right now is the worst time with the rain just pouring through from yesterday to today. Everything is freshly wet. So anywhere with like a hole, it's best if I just took my distance and don't walk over it. Anyway, we got this chair. Oh my god, look at this television. TV. What? It's sad to say that the current generation growing up would never know what these TVs looked like. Then we got us who just know about this stuff. Like we're like the OGs, and it's crazy. Like any 20-year-old will understand this old TV box. Then anyone from before wouldn't have a clue. I mean, it's cool. Times are changing. Times are evolving. But hey, history always remains. Check out this piece of paper. I'd like to leave an afterglow of smiles when life is done. I like to leave an echo whispering softly down the ways of happy times and laughing times, bright and sunny days. This place really caught my attention. I feel like I just stepped back into the old structure of like how this place is, how it's known for, and whatever it is. It's really interesting, really old school, really creepy, but damn, this is sick though. This is so sick. Anyhow, if you look around, this is everything that surrounds this whole house. Freaking another old cabinet, definitely award and trophy wins. Freaking, what is this? Daily New. Oh, this is definitely a church thing. I can see the cross on it. Don't want to touch that. Oh my god, an old cell phone. Guys, I am finding everything.
Yeah, it's in the kitchen.
No.
A syringe.
Exactly. So guys, you never know what you're getting into.
Wait, what were we talking about, Kyle?
Joey was saying how it's like low-key creepy.
Oh, dude, there's a pocket knife right next to the syringe.
Jeez, what?
That.
Yeah, that is a syringe.
There's hella knives here. What the fuck?
Bro, dude, we even had a chainsaw in this room. So, dude, I think we got something to solve today. Kyle, did we miss something? Kyle,
Okay, so ready?
please explain.
This was the wallet. Remember, we were like, oh, it has the medical records. So ready? You go like this and put in, and this is the real wallet.
Whoa!
Okay, so I don't know if you guys want to show there because there's driver's licenses and stuff inside, but like real quick, you can kind of just see if you want to go through
lot
it.
of stuff.
It's like a bunch of. This is the real wallet. This is the good one.
This is.
You can go ahead and go through it if you want. I don't know how much you guys want to put.
So I feel like we're like detectives trying to figure out how to go through this. Joey found something else that's really interesting. When I stepped in this room prior, Kyle just announced that this was a sewing machine. I didn't even know that, dude, because I don't even sew, so I don't know what sewing machines look like. But, bro, that is sick. This is old structure. But definitely watch out stepping on this floor because you could easily fall through. Oh, guys! It's an old watch. Yo, that is dope. What? It has a crack on it? Dude, this is sick. This is a good photo. So old school. What? Yeah, definitely. Oh my god. Hold on. Focus, camera. Work for me. What up, guys? My name is JohnInth. If you enjoyed this video, definitely check this out. This place is so crazy. Oh, it was so hard to breathe in there. I haven't done any abandoned content in so long, and I am back at it. Oh man, feels great to say that I'm out and doing this rush and this energy thrilling stuff again. I'm just trying to find ways to help differentiate myself from the other explorers. That's what I'm trying to think about on how to do. Anyhow, oh my god, just look how, so we're outside the place now. That is where we were just in. This is the outside. Look how crazy and drastic this looks. I wish we could just do an overnight challenge here. Whoa! Dude, look at that van. Dude, this is insane. Bro, my god. So we're gonna go wander through this. Bro, this is insane. This is amazing. Oh my god. The Chevrolet that he was driving. What a fucking forest. That's a Chevrolet he was driving. This is crazy. Chevrolet. And this is the minivan. Dude, I love these vans. These are vans that you could sleep in. This place was interesting. As we connected the dots from Japanese decorations we found in a closet to what this person was driving prior, the Explorer was such a great adventure and making these experiences a memorable one. I feel we definitely brought this place back from what it was to what it currently is. What an adventure. I do have a clothing brand that is called the Yurei brand. If you're curious what Yurei means, it's the definition of spirits in Japanese. I want to revive who we are and to chase what we believe in. So check it out in the description below. And you can also support my Patreon page for some reward tiers. You're the looker, I'm the opener.
I'm the looker, you're the opener?
Yep, so go look. This is a co-op mission, man. You gotta understand that.
Alright, co-op 3, 2, 1.
Alright.
I can't see what's in there.
Nothing. Wow, what an amazing explorer. So that's Kyle right there. Kyle, we got Joey, Steve in the background, far in the making. We are gonna go end today's video. So far right here, what an intense explore. I made a compilation of this entire video, so go check that out. Woo, I was so tired. It was great. So great that we have to hit up another place. And we're heading out there right now. So don't forget to check out the Yurei brand. Don't forget to subscribe to all the other pages. And don't forget to check out my entire YouTube channel if you're new to the page. My name is JohnInth. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace and thanks for watching. I'm out.